We have completed seventh lesson also, right?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Nice. Seventh or
17th, I mean. No,
we stopped. We did the Sanskrit to English, but we had to do English to Sanskrit for 17th.
17th, right? Okay. Here we are. We have
We
completed
all
Sanskrit one.
yes.
Now we'll see. We sat in the shade of the tree.
वृक्षस्य छायायाम् उपविशाम.
Upavishama.
Yeah, like complete ma.
Yeah. Then next, he forgave the faults of his servants.
सह भृत्यानाम अपराधान. Now here I got stuck. If it will be akshama, akshamat, right? Partial ta.
Kshamate, right? Akshamata. Actually, it is Purna when you are using Atmanepadi forms. Then
Okay.
it would be Akshama. You can actually note it down the whole forms of Lang Lakara. Akshamat,
Mm-hmm.
Aksham, that one, Akshamata, Avandata or Asevata, right? Asevata, Asevetam, Asevantam. Sorry, Lang Lakar we are doing, right? Of Atmanepada.
Right.
हाँ.
Uh,
असेवत असेवेताम असेवंत असेवथाः असेवेथाम असेवध्वम असेवे असेवावहि असेवामहि. This is how the forms go.
okay, I think I'll have to type this because that's where I got stuck. Is it going to be partial ta or complete ta? So I put an oblique and said
हाँ.
both.
It is like alabhata.
But
Okay.
so akshata.
Yeah. So asevata one kriyapad you can note it down. Asevata, asevetam, asevanta. Let me show the
Yeah,
form.
I can take each of type it.
Screenshot. Alakara of photo. Okay, here where should I say it? Till that we will do next sentence.
Sure, no problem. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got it. Fine. Let me show you the Rupa Atmanepada, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can take the screenshot of all the forms so you will have the, you know. Are you able to see this? No.
Not yet.
Yes, this one. Ta itam anta thaha itam dhvam I avahi amahi. So will be everywhere in Langlakar, that is for sure. Avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Then you can even have the Vidiling Lakaranta form of Atmanepada. It goes like वंदेत वंदेयाताम वंदेरन वंदेथाः वंदेयाथाम वंदेध्वम वंदेय वंदेवहि वंदेमहि. Then collectively actually you can have the all the forms here like this way. So basically
Okay.
that first vandate vandete vandante vandase vandete vandadve vande vandavahe vandamahe. Then this is the lot lakara. This one vandatam Vandetam, vandantam, vandasva, vandetham, vandadvam, vandai, vandavahai, vandamahi. Then lang
Hmm.
lakar in between. Then vandeta is a vidhiling and last one is lrit lakar. If
Sure.
this is how the te, ite, ante forms you will find at the end of Atmanipadi roots. And even
Okay.
Karmani Prayoga will be the same, but the difference is ya will be added before
Hmm.
te, ite, ante. That is Karmanipadi forms. Karmani. Hmm? So actual form would be Vandate. And if you are desiring to make passive, then Vandyate. Vandate, Vandyate. That difference you will notice. Okay,
Uh,
let's go back to our topic.
yeah, I'll type this tomorrow and keep it ready because I like to keep a printout.
Yeah,
So I didn't trying to go back and forth and I couldn't figure it out. So I just put both.
how you can have the screenshot with you and makes it will help to make sentence. Hmm?
Yeah, I have now.
Also of his servants, right? So saha भृत्याणाम अपराधान अक्षमत.
Aksham.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm. Or if we are using parasmay pada, shamyati kriyapad we had seen, so he becomes calm. Oh, no, that is not appropriate. Okay, akshamata is fine. Next, the Brahmanas fell into the waters of the Ganges.
So I made the sentence, but I was not sure. When you say waters, are we supposed to say jaleshu, meaning really plural water, or we just say jale in the water?
Actually, Vari Shabda, Jala Shabda, these are plural Shabda. Most of the
Oh,
time, the you will never find the Apa Shabda in singular. The declension will go plural only. So it is fine to use plural of Jala Shabda, Vari Shabda, Apa Shabda.
so I wrote Brahmanaha,
Hmm.
Gangayaha. So I put both jale oblique jaleshu
Huh.
apatan.
Yeah. So Jaleshu
So
here would be fine because they are using waters, right? Yeah.
perfect. Um, horses ran to the battlefield. Ashvaha yuddha bhumim adhavan.
Hmm. Yes. Ashwaha Yuddha Bhumim Adhavan. Dhavati is a Parasmay Padi, so it is fine. Rama obeyed the commands of his father.
Hmm. Ramah swapitrasya.
Hmm. What word you
I,
are using?
what word for
Father.
oh I put pituhu. It should be pituhu, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, see, I was not thinking. Pituhu agnyam or shasanam anvasarat, meaning anu asarat. Is that
An,
correct?
Anvasarat is fine. Commands, plural they are using, right?
Oh, shasanam. So agnya lataha agnya right?
Which vibhakti is this?
Dvitiya.
द्वितीय बहुवचनम is आज्ञा रामः आज्ञाः अथवा आदेशान
Oh,
अथवा शासनम if you are using
hmm.
शासन we can say, but adeshan would be most appropriate.
Okay, adeshan is the correct word.
Hari learned music from Narayana.
Harihi Narayanat Sangeetam Ashikshat.
हाँ, शिक्षते is a Atmanepadi. So how you will make
Then complete the.
Ashikshata. I tasted the fruits of a mango tree.
Aham amraphalam aswade.
of a mango tree.
Oh, oh, I just did amraphalam. Okay. Um, then it'll be vrikshasya.
Amravrakshasya.
आम्रवृक्षस्य अहम् आम्रवृक्षस्य फलम् अस्वादे.
Phalam.
Oh, फलानि.
Phalani aswade. Messengers went to the Ayodhya Nagari.
द्यूताः अयोध्याम् अगच्छन्.
You spoke a lie.
त्वम् असत्यम् अवदः.
आत्मनेपदी क्रियापद.
So I actually also put abhashatha, abhashatha, but I was not sure about that.
Yeah. So abhashatha.
So avadaha will be incorrect here.
No, it is not incorrect. But we are into Atmanipada, we should practice
Got
Atmanipada.
it. Got it. Okay. Yeah, so I put tvam asatyam avadaha, then slash abhashathaha. And then, yeah, okay, got it.
Which are new Kriya Padas, we shall use them. Otherwise, we will be,
Right.
You lived at Koshambi then.
You lived at Koshambi then. Tada tvam kausambyam avasat.
Yeah.
Complete the.
Sha is there, na? Kaushambi. Kaushambyam.
Oh, I put a so in typing, I think. SH. Kaushambyam avasat.
Tvam Kaushambyam avasat. Halanta. Vasati is a parasmayapadi. Avasat. Avartata. That would be Atmanipad.
Avartata. Okay.
Ajivat. Again. Parasmayapadi. He wandered at the Rama's exploits.
Saha.
Not wander, it is wondered, right?
Wondered. So I didn't know the word for wonder, so I used achintyat, but I don't know if that is correct. Meaning he thought about it. Saha Ramasya parakramaihi achintayat.
At they are using, right?
Yes, at. He wondered at Rama's exploits.
Yes, so how we are making? Ramasya parakrameshu saha smayate is a kriya pada. Smismayate, right? Uska past.
Right.
Asmayata.
Complete the. So I need to write this. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I will have to look this up. Saha Ramasya parakrameshu
Asmayata.
Asmayata. So we are using parakrameshu because it is at.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Next. You fought with an enemy.
Yuyam shatruna saha ayudhyathaha.
The rogue was bitten by the king's order.
Nrupasya so I use the word shasanena for order. Nripasya shasanena shataha atadayata.
Uh, uh,
Sorry.
uh, the rogue was beaten. This is a passive structure.
Oh,
So
the
Shataha
rogue. So
was beaten. कर्मणि ऑफ तड़ धातु ताड़यति का आपको कर्मणि बनाना है.
I'll have to Google it because when I get stuck, I Google.
So
Tad.
ताड्यत, right?
हाँ.
So ताड्यते is a कर्मणि form. ताड्यते, शटः ताड्यते,
Correct.
नृपस्य आदेशेन शटः ताड्यते. That is a simple present. Past tense would be नृपस्य आदेशेन शटः अताड्यत. So शटः was beaten.
Correct. So that's what I wrote. The da is partial, right? Atadyata
Correct.
is what I wrote.
Next. Adeshena.
I wrote shasanena. So shasanena is incorrect here, right? It doesn't make any sense.
And Shasanam is also kind of rules and regulations, right? So Adesh only.
Okay. So
You counted Nishkas. The Nishkas. Okay. You counted the Nishkas.
Tvam nishkan aganyathaha.
Aganayathaha.
Oh, na is complete.
Yeah, it is a 10th conjugational form. Ayavikarana, right? Aganayathaha.
Ganayathaha.
A blessing from the Rishi was wished for by Rama. Acha, wished for is a kind of Kriya Pada, right? A blessing from the Rishi was wished for by Rama.
Ramena ऋषेः आशीर्वादः एष्यत.
Was wished. Eshyata. Yeah, fine.
So
can you repeat it?
रामेण ऋषेः आशीर्वादः एष्यत.
Fine. Eshyata.
I have a question about this Asia. So because I don't have the forms memorized. So when I look for words, I look for meanings either in the book or I Google. So when I was Googling Shabdaroop, Dhaturoop, for Asia, I mean Esh Dhatu, at some places it gave me Eshyata, and then at some places they were using Echa. So is there a difference or was there something wrong on because I don't trust the websites either. So there was Echa, A partial cha, or am I misunderstanding something?
No. It
Meaning Echata?
There are ish dhatu. You are using, if you are using karmani form,
Right.
You will get aishyata roop.
Okay.
And if you are making parasmay padi lang lakar, right? Then you shall let me search on. So whenever you want to get a form from, appropriate form, you have to search ashtadhyayi.com. That is authentic.
That is my mistake. So I was just putting, because I was typing, right? So I was just putting Esh Dhatu Roop. And then from there I would take, and this is the one that confused me a lot. So I'm sure I was wrong, but I wanted to confirm why I was getting
Esha Dhatu, first thing, it is a Esha Dhatu. हाँ, इच्छति के लिए ishu ichhayam. So basically the form will go like in past tense. Aichat. Lang lakar would be aichat. Same if you want to search for karmani, it will go like I aishat it will be.
Right. So echat will be parasmayapadi lang lakar, you said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm?
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sometimes it confuses.
Yeah.
Okay, where were we? A blessing. So here the blessing from the Rishi was wished. Right? Was wished, it is a karmani. So here we can use karmani. Aishyata. Hmm? आशीर्वादः ऋषेः आशीर्वादः ऐष्यत रामेण ऐष्यत.
Right.
Okay. The favor of the gods, by the favor of the gods, you conquered your enemies. Hmm.
यूयं देवानां प्रसादेन अरीन और शत्रुन अजायन.
Conquered is not a jai.
Ji, I looked up Ji Dhatu. What mistake
Ji
did I make?
dhatu if you, Jayati is a form, right? Ajayan.
Ajayan, sorry.
So actually, you na. So Ajayah.
So you meaning you all, right?
Okay, Ajayata.
Okay. Ajayata.
Jayata is to born, to produce, something like that. That is different. Jana Jayati is different. Okay. We drank water in place of wine.
वयं वयं मदिरायाः स्थाने जलम् अपिबाम.
You took away the book hence to your house. अच्छा, hence मतलब यहाँ से.
So I used ataha for hence. Ataha yuyam and I took plural because the chapter was plural, right? The exercise. So I took you all.
Yeah.
अतः यूयं पुस्तकानि स्वगृहे आहरत.
Aharat, anayat, anayata. Aharata also fine. Okay.
It said take away in the book meaning, so I just did anayata, right?
अनयत would be appropriate. हरति का मतलब लेके जाना, चुराना वगैरह होता है. The sun shone brightly yesterday. The sun shone brightly yesterday.
ह्यः सूर्यः उज्ज्वलम् अतपत्.
Yeah. Atapat. Atapat. Tapat is a parasmaipada, so atapat is fine. Halantata is fine. The house was entered into at night by thieves. The house was entered into at night by a thief.
So I use the verb avishat with so pravishat, and
It is a karmani. The house was entered, right, by thieves.
So okay. चोरेण रात्रौ गृहं. So I used pravishat, so that is incorrect, you're saying.
What you need to make?
Pravishat. Oh, it has to be pravishata.
Pravishyata. Karmani form, right?
Oh, vishya. Sorry, you just said that a minute ago. Yeah.
Pravishyata. Ya will come, then Purnata will come because it is a कर्मणि, so we will add Atmanepadi Pratyayas. Okay. We saw the general at his army and his army. What's happening?
It's too early and it's cold. Vayam senapatihi tasya senam cha apashyama.
Vayam. Okay. They bore away the king from the battlefield. Matlab?
I think I took take away. So
Okay.
I again hru haran aharan for multiple. So they, all of them, nripatim yuddha bhumehe aharan.
Okay.
That what?
Yes. They discharge arrows at their enemies.
ते अरिषु शरान और बाणान अक्षिपन.
Akshipat. I began to wreath a garland of flowers.
अहम मालायाः ग्रथनम आरभे.
I began. Arabhe, correct. Okay. Now same imperfect tense is going to continue the Atmanipada termination, the dual form and plural forms. So same exercise with dual and plural. Actually, in this part we are practicing plural, na?
Yeah, plural. हाँ.
Okay, तो पीछे वाला जो you था वो singular वाला यूज करना है शायद ये वाला. You took away the books, etc. That would be singular one. You lived in anyway. So both of it is fine. Dhvamsa dhatu is there. Dhvamsate is a Atmanepada first conjugational. To me, it means to perish. Dhvamsate, like nashyati. Dhvamsate nashyati. Avamanyate means disregard. Mantrayate. Mantrayate, nimantrayate. Nimantrayati. Nimantrayate means to invite. Vimrushati. Vimrushati मतलब to examine, to taste. विमर्श करना ऐसा शब्द है हिंदी में. विमृशति. रमते to feel happy. ये वाला मीनिंग है, to feel happy.
रम is आत्मनेपदी.
आत्मनेपदी. रमते के बाद लज्जते is Atmanepadi again, 6 conjugational. So lajjate means to feel shame, to feel shy. Spardhate means to rival. Rival means spardhate.
Rivalry would be spardha, na? Competition.
Sramsate, Gandivam sramsate, hastat, to drop down. फिसलना, हाथ से निकलना. विहसति, to laugh in contempt.
मतलब किसी का मजाक उड़ाना या उनको नीचा देख के मतलब किसी के ऊपर हंसना.
Contempt. Anishtam, calamity. Avadhirana, repulse or the repulsion. Asurah, demon, the enemies of gods. Aropanam, planting, sowing. Upadesha, advice, counsel. Kabari, a breed of, कबरी नाम की कोई गाय होती है शायद, उनका ये बनाते हैं वो कबरी. कार्यम, एक्शन, वर्क. गंधर्वः, an individual of a class of celestial beings. Grahanam means capture. Chorah, thief. Jalam, net. Jyotsna, moonlight. Tyagah, living. दर्शनम साइड दुष्कृतम विकेट एक्शन नायकः लीडर परम मीन्स परंतु किंतु that is called param.
Ram.
However, but Pantah, a traveler, Prachi, the east, Prashnikah, an examiner, Balam, strength, Bijam, seed, Bhupah, king, Ramanam, lover, husband, Viryam, heroism, bravery, valor बोलेंगे क्या? Valor, okay. Sachivah, minister, Samuha, multitude, a crowd. Okay, now we'll make few sentences. पांडवाः राज्यम् अविन्दन्त.
So Vinda means to what? Get
To
or
obtain
win?
it.
To obtain. Okay, to get. So Pandavas got their kingdom or obtained their kingdom.
हाँ, पांडवास obtain their kingdom. Obtain मतलब कुछ कष्ट करके मिलाना.
अच्छा. Okay.
आचार्यान् शिष्याः अभ्यवादयन्त.
Pupils or students greeted their teachers.
अभिवादयति means to bow down, to greet. Yeah, fine. सचिवाः भूपम् अभाषन्त.
Sachivaha ministers spoke with the Bhupam king.
ओके, यहाँ तो अलग ही सेंटेंस है. नार्याः कबर्याः पुष्पे अस्त्रम्.
इसमें
हाँ,
बहुत टाइम लगा.
अस्त्रम से काम. कबरी मतलब क्या होता है अब ये?
चोटी चोटी लिखा है ना उसमें ब्रेड. BRAID.
कबरी कुछ पेड़ का नाम लग रहा है मुझे. कबरियाः पुष्पे ना. हाँ,
अच्छा,
ओके.
इन्होंने तो लिखा है अ ब्रेड ऑफ हेयर.
हाँ, मतलब वो जो पहनते हैं, जो मोगरे का वगैरह होता है वो बना के, वो ना.
I don't know. I understood it to mean जो हम लोग बाल को गूंथ के चोटी नहीं बनाते.
हाँ,
I took it as that because it says braid of hair. That means when you braid your hair and make it into a choti. That's Hindi word. I don't know any other word for it.
हाँ, फाइन.
So
तो
flower,
हाँ,
पुष्पे.
हाँ, पुष्पे चोटी के जो
हाँ,
डाल है वो अस्त्रम से.
so flowers dropped from a woman's braid.
हाँ, ओके. जनेन विहस्य.
Oh, it should be two flowers, right? I just said flowers. Should I say two flowers? Pushpam, pushpe, pushpani.
हाँ, करेक्ट. 2 flowers. नेक्स्ट, जनेन व्यहस्यध्वम्.
Hasyadvam. Hasyadvam is what? Laughter. Janena, जनों के द्वारा. What is vyah? Vyah.
वि
I'm stuck there.
उपसर्गपूर्वक हसति क्रियापद. विहसति. विहसति
Oh,
to
makes fun of someone. Laugh in contempt.
so you
So,
two were made fun, or you two were laughed by people. You were
okay.
you two were laughed at.
Laughed at in contempt ऐसा दिया है ना. हाँ, okay. By people.
By people. रथ्यायां जनानां समूहम् ऐक्षामहि.
Rathyaayam jananam, people, samuham, crowd.
The crowd of people.
Maiksha Aiksha. So we saw Rathya. What is Rathya? Is it a road or a path?
Street. Gully.
Oh, so we saw a crowd of people in the street or gully.
रामस्य दुःखानि अध्वंसन्त.
So they were finished. Rama's sorrows, miseries were finished or perished, I think they said, right? Dhvamsa means perish, yeah, perished.
मित्राणाम त्यागे न अलज्जेथाम.
Mitranam tyage na alajjetham, meaning you don't have shame for leaving your friends.
हाँ
You don't have any shame for leaving your friends.
हाँ, काइंड ऑफ.
Mitranam tyage na
हाँ.
alajjetham.
Which, what is the actually lajjetham dual actually, ना?
So both of you don't feel any shame.
You two were not ashamed of your abandoning, abandoned from your friends. कैसे बनेगा ये?
तो हम कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं कि यू डोंट फील एनी शेम क्योंकि आप दोनों ने अपने फ्रेंड्स को अबैंडन किया. इज दैट व्हाट वी आर सेइंग हियर?
कि मित्रों ने आपका त्याग कर दिया तो भी आपको लज्जा नहीं आती.
अच्छा, तो त्याग मित्रों ने किया है, ये दोनों ने नहीं किया है. मीनिंग आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. हु लेफ्ट whom?
Friends leave them, so
And
we,
they are there. So
so
both of you don't feel any shame upon being abandoned by your friends.
हाँ, about being abandoned. Okay, fine. वृक्षेभ्यः शुकाः उदडयन्त.
Parrots flew from the trees. Vrikshebhya.
या मृगा मृगौ अहन्यतां व्याधिः.
Mrigau.
करके होगी.
Two mrigas, two deer, ahanyatam, killed by vyadhi, hunters, plural.
हाँ, so two mrigas, animals were killed by hunters.
Hunter. So mriga doesn't necessarily mean deer.
Also fine. Two deers were killed,
By hunters.
hunted by hunters. Jananam sukhaya ayatamahi.
Jananam, people's, sukhaya, happiness. Sukhaya ayatamahi. So it is for us, but I don't know the meaning of the word.
Jananam sukhaya ayatamahi. We tried, we put an effort for the welfare of people. Okay, here we will stop. Our time is up.
No. So ayatamahi is we work towards. What is the root?
Yatate.
Oh, yatate.
हाँ,
Oh, okay.
यते यथामहि अयथामहि. ओके. देवैः सह असुराः अस्पर्धन्त.